Let's learn about using the green screen feature in iMovie with a video background. First, create a new project by clicking on the plus button and select Movie. To create the green screen effect, we are going to add our background layer first. Moments, Video, Photos, and Albums populate the left-hand menu. Find your video background in Video or Moments. Tap to select your video and you'll see a blue check mark populate, then click Create Movie at the bottom. Before applying your green screen video, drag the background all the way to the right. Next, we're going to find our green screen video by tapping on Video. When you find your green screen video, tap on it. Here they've used a white screen video as an example. When you tap on the video, it should highlight in yellow and have a 3-dot menu. Tap on the 3 dots and then click green/blue screen. The green screen video will be automatically added. The video background must take up more time than the green screen video so that it is applied throughout the green screen video. You can see with the white screen that the video is in the background. Once you have successfully applied the green screen effect and edited your movie, you are going to click Done in the top left-hand corner to prepare to export. Watch the Export iMovie tutorial to see how to move your video from iMovie to your camera roll.